A very good morning to all. I, Dr. Rizwana Begum, would like to discuss about the subject Strategic Human Resource Management. And in this session, I would like to discuss the objectives of human resource development. The role of human beings in an organization's success is deeply recognized. That is, in human resource development, we identify organizations, human beings, or employees of the organization. Many formal and informal methods are used for developing the employees. That is, training and development methods are used. It may be formal methods or informal methods. And as we have seen, the meaning of human resource development or the main aim of human resource development would be it strives for the improvement of not just the individual workers but for the growth of the group and the organization as a whole. Human resource development aims at increasing the performance of individual workers plus the growth as a group and organization as a whole. Let's see objectives of HRD, that is human resource development. The prime objective of human resource development is to facilitate an organizational environment in which people come first. What is the prime objective? Main ಅಥವಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಏನು? To create or to facilitate an organizational environment. There should be one environment. Organization ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ವಾತಾವರಣ? Where people come first. Who are people here? Employees of the organization. So this is the main objective of human resource development. If we just see other objectives of human resource development, first one is equity. Equity means here recognizing every employee at par, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and language, which can create a very good environment in an organization. What is the aim of HRD? What is the objective of HRD? Here, we are treating the employee at par, equal, irrespective of their religion, their caste, their creed or language, from where they come, or from which place they belong to, all these things. We are not considering all this. In the organization, employees are considered as employees of organization or people of organization, where these things are not considered. When people are treated with equity, then it creates a good environment in the organization where every employee is given equal opportunity to perform in the organization. Equity andre ಏನು? ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಯುತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಯನ್ನು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾಯಯುತವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಸಮಾನತೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸಮಾನ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡುವುದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ objective of human resource development. If you see the next objective, it's employability. Employability means the ability, skills and competencies of an individual to seek gainful employment anywhere. What is employability? People in the organization should be able to get any employment which is needed to them. For that, they should gain the required ability, skills and competencies. From where they get these abilities? They get these abilities and skills through HRD. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ. ಈ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ. ದೇ ಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ HRD ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ. Continuous training that develops the professional skills of employees plays an important role in human resource development. What happens here? In human resource development, the aim of human resource development is to see that the employees of the organization can adapt to any changes which happens in the organization. This will be possible when there is a continuous training given to people, given to employees, which can enhance the professional skills of employees. When they can adapt to these changes, it is playing very important role in achieving the organizational objectives. And if we see some of the other objectives of human resource development, in spite of equity, employability, adaptability, we have some more objectives of human resource development. Here we can go one by one. To prepare the employee to meet the present and changing future job requirements. What is the aim of human resource development? Here human resource development prepare the employee for the present job requirement and also for future job requirement. How to prepare for future job requirements? As we know, future job requirements would be dynamic. So, by forecasting the job requirements which may be needed in the future, human resource development strives for meeting these job requirements through human resource development practices. And to prevent employees' obsolescence. That means here, as we know, organization is dynamic. Organization continuously changes their work culture, changes their process, methods according to the changes in the external environment. So, human resource development's objective is to see that employees adapt to these changes so that they should not be considered as obsolete. Then, another objective is to develop creative abilities and talents. To see to it that employees have some creative abilities, they have to develop talents which is required for the job. And to prepare employees for higher level jobs. That is, the present job if they are having in the organization see to it that employees are prepared for performing higher level jobs. And to impart new entrants with basic human resource development skills and knowledge. We have seen human resource development improves the skills of the organization who are present in the organization or to prepare them for higher level jobs. Here what happens, human resource development also see to it that who are new to the job, who are just entered the organization, they should have some basic skills and knowledge to perform the job. Next, to develop the potentialities of people for the next level job. Potentialities which should be required for the people, required for the employees to perform the job will be developed. And human resource development aims at helping in total quality management, TQM. Organization follows TQM policies in the organization, and human resource development aid to total quality management. How it aids to total quality management? When human resource of the organization is improved, their performance is improved. That means quality of the people who are there in the organization is improved. Hence, it helps in total quality management of the organization. And the objective is to promote individual and collective morale. This means through HRD, employees as an individual will be motivated to perform the job as an individual and as a team. That is, collective morale will be increased so that employees will be committed to the organization. Then, to broaden the minds of senior managers, it as simple as it will help to create a good environment, conducive environment in the minds of managers or supervisors. The relationship between employees and the senior managers will be improved here. When there are good human resource development practices in the organization, the hierarchy which is there in the organization would be very effective and efficient. If we go to some of the other objectives of human resource development, it ensures smooth and efficient working of the organization. Because as we know, the organization to run successfully, it should work without any hurdles. ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಡೆತಡೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಅಡಚಣೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರನ್. So, to ensure the smooth and efficient working of the organization, we should see that human resources of the organization, that is employees of the organization, are committed and satisfied in working for the organization. They should feel that I am working for this organization or I am part of this organization. Human resource development, HRD, ensures this. And human resource development provide comprehensive framework for human resource development. That is, in the organization there will be human resource development framework. What should be done in human resource development? How the training programs have to be conducted in the organization? How the development programs have to be conducted? What are the procedures of conducting these training and development programs? So what happens here? It gives a comprehensive framework, integrated framework for human resource development. And to enhance organizational capabilities is also an objective of human resource development. That is, when we tell organizational capabilities, it means that individual employees' capabilities. We improve individual employees' capabilities, which in turn leads to enhancing organizational capabilities. If you just see what we have learnt now, that is what I have discussed as an objective of human resource development, we just can say that the organizational effectiveness can be reflected through better quality, higher productivity, and human resource development prepares the employee to meet the present and changing future job requirements. What we can tell is any organization's effectiveness can be reflected through their human resource, the quality of human resource, the productivity, what they get out of this human resource. Hope this session is understood. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you.